Clear out the Work in Progress page. The WIP, Work in Progress page in TaxDome, is your go-to spot for checking out all the unpaid billable hours for each client at the end of your service period. It's super handy. You can see exactly how much time you've spent on each client and easily turn those hours into invoices. The Work in Process page is located under the Billing section. If you want to create an invoice for a specific client, click Create Invoice next to the client's name, select all the billable time entries you want to add to the invoice, and then click Continue to Invoice. If you scroll down, you will see all the line items generated based on the time entries. To clear up the time entries and generate one invoice ready to send to the client, first, mark down the total amount, delete all line items except one, and name a general service for it, such as Audit Service. Then, manually enter the total amount in the Amount field. If you want, you can also enter a date and description. Once the invoice is sent, time entries disappear from the WIP page, but you can still find them in the Time Entries list, which displays all the time entries, both billed and unbilled. You can also use the Time Entries page for internal purposes, such as determining how much you should pay your employees. To do so, filter the list by selecting the particular employee, then note the total unbilled time and revenue at the top.